Hey there YouTube, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a search retargeting campaign, otherwise known as an RLSA campaign. So if you think about it, someone comes to your website and they leave and then they start Google searching what you either sell or the product you offer, and you only want to show your ad for those people on your retargeting audience. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon, because I have lots of awesome videos coming up that you definitely do not want to miss. Okay, so here we are in a sample Google ad account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a search campaign, and then I'm going to layer in the audience on top of it. So new campaign, we're going to do without a goals guidance, and I'm going to do a search campaign because this is actually a search campaign. Don't worry about the results I want to get. I've already set up my conversion tracking, and I'm going to click continue. Start new because it was a draft. Okay, so here we are. The search type is search. That's fine. I'm going to give my campaign a name, and I'm just going to call it RLSA just to make it easy. One of the sneaky settings here is that the display network is defaulted to be included. We do not want that, so I'm going to deselect display network. Let's have a look at some of these settings. Don't worry about the start and end date. That's fine. I want my retargeting campaign to be in my certain location, so I am in Australia. Obviously, you would put in your location. Language is English. Here is where I'm going to add my audience. So I want my targeting to be to narrow the reach to the selected audience only. So I'm going to go to Browse. I'm going to go to Remarketing, Website Visitors, and I'm going to choose my audience. So let's just do this one. If I hover over this, it's going to tell me that there's this number of people in my audience, and then we're going to give it a budget of, let's say, $5. My bidding, I want to go select bid strategy, choose the standard strategy rather, and I want manual CPC. Okay, and then let's just double check the conversions, account level conversions, that's fine. I want to optimize best performing ads. I can add my ad extensions a bit later and save and continue. Okay, now I've got to obviously set up my ad groups, as you can see here. So I'm going to call this top of funnel keywords. I'll leave my bid at 1 cent just for now. Okay, and I want to enter my keywords here. So I would enter in the keywords that are related to my product. So I'm just going to say plus beeswax wraps, because that's the particular product for this. You would obviously put in your keywords. I personally do like to do very tightly themed ad groups. So please don't put 50 unrelated keywords here because you want to theme them. Okay, so I'll leave that for now. And I'm going to just click save and continue. And then we're going to write our ad. So I'm just going to skip this part here, but you would obviously put in your ad here. So I'm just going to do done, save and continue. And then we can review our campaign. And obviously we know we don't have any ads. And so I'll just fix that real quick. Okay, so let's pretend I am running traffic to this page. This is just a test page, really. I've got my headline and that, another headline too. Obviously, you would fill these out much better than I have. I've just kind of given sample text ad components. Click done, save and continue, and then we can review our campaign. And we go publish. That's fine, publish. And here we have our campaign. So let's go into the ad group. We've selected it here. We've got our top of funnel keywords. I set it at 1 cent because I don't actually want this to run. And we go into the ad group. Here's our keyword. And if we go to audience, you will see that we have our audience Oh, it didn't get selected, so we can just add an audience. Save. And we are done. And we have created our retargeting campaign for Google Search, or RLSA campaign. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you soon.